Alright, today what we're going to do is we're going to do a picture of a cigar. So I'm going to paint the cigar that Monica Lewinsky used. And we'll see where it goes from there.
Alright, the question of the day is, when did Nathan's hot dog contest start?
Alright, let's run through the color.
Titanium white, Mars black, twin blue, phthalo blue, phthalo green, primary yellow, pearly orange, pearly red, twin red, Van Dyke brown, yellow ochre, burnt umber.
Let's get the party started! So we got the initial kind of cigar across the coffee mug. It's dripping a little bit, but I gotta redo this layer anyway. It's just a very faint color at this point. So we'll see how that dries and then come back to it. I think the portions are right. I should have probably moved this higher up in the painting, but whatever. Maybe I'll throw a butterfly. So this time we're gonna add in, make all these colors darker, start to refine the 3D elements in the painting, and we'll see where it goes from here.
So the question of the day was, when did Nathan's hot dog contest start? And this is an interesting question because originally people thought it was 1916, and what happened was in 1970s they kicked off the actual contest in 72, but they started with this huge backstory that the contest had been going since 1916 with 4 guys kind of having a show off, and that had been held every year except 1941 because they protested the war in 1971. So they made up this whole 50-year history, but they have been doing it since 1972. So it has a lot of charm to it, and it's very Americana in the sense that most countries don't hold eating contests. It's usually like who can make the best food, who can make the best beer, but they don't have like how many hot dogs you can stuff in your face. So that's a very welcome to America kind of thing. All right, hope to see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.
All right, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So it has this nice kind of burgundy background, which I think contrasts nicely with this light green. Maybe yellow would work there better. I like this cigar. I think it comes off as cigar, the colors. It doesn't really have the leaf texture per se, but it definitely has the shape of the cigar. Has like the nice burn end. I didn't make any smoke on it. I was thinking about that at the very end, but I'm like, looks good enough.
Anyway, hopefully you guys like it, and give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks, guys.